Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome back, Focus Learners. Today we're tackling day 33 of our curriculum, and the star of the show? Convolutional Neural Networks, or as you'll hear them called literally everywhere, CNNs. Now, if you've ever wondered exactly how your smartphone instantly recognizes your face, or how medical software can somehow spot a tiny anomaly in an X-ray, you are in the exact right place. Today's explainer is going to unpack this fascinating AI architecture step by step. We are going to give you a crystal clear understanding of how machines actually learn to see.
So, here is our roadmap for today's concept-to-practice pipeline. First, we'll meet the CNN. 2, we'll break down the core concepts and workflow. 3, we'll look at CNNs in the real world. 4, we'll get into hands-on practice and prep. And 5, we'll wrap up with a quick summary. Having this structured roadmap is really going to help demystify all the complex terminology we're about to hit.
All right, Section 1, Meet the CNN, Beginner-Friendly Foundations. We are totally stripping away the intimidation factor here.
So what is it? A convolutional neural network, or CNN, is a specialized artificial intelligence architecture designed to process and analyze visual data. Now think about it like this. Human vision is just incredibly sophisticated, right? When you look at a picture of a dog, your brain instantly recognizes the shapes, the edges, the textures, and the colors to immediately say, yep, that's a dog. But for a computer to do that, it can't just look at lines of code. It needs a highly specialized structure. A CNN basically gives a computer a simulated visual cortex. It allows the machine to take in a raw image, break it down into manageable mathematical pieces, and actually understand what it's looking at.
Section 2, Core Concepts and Workflow. Let's move to and see how this builds from that basic definition right into the actual mechanics.
See, when a CNN processes visual data, it's not just, staring at a picture. It is pushing that data through a very specific, carefully designed workflow. Step 1 involves our core concepts and terminology. Imagine a raw image entering the network. The CNN uses these things called filters, or sometimes kernels, to scan back and forth across the image. These filters are basically hunting for fundamental features, like the curve of a dog's ear, or maybe the sharp edge of a stop sign. Then we hit Step 2, Workflow Processing. This is where the data undergoes a massive transformation. The network takes all those detected edges and lines and condenses the information. It pulls the most important features together to reduce the computational heavy lifting, and then passes it deeper into the network. It's honestly a beautiful mini-narrative of transformation. Raw pixels come in, they get filtered for basic patterns, condensed down into essential data, and then reconstructed into a high-level understanding that lets the AI make its final classification.
Which brings us to Section 3, CNNs in the real world. Let's talk about exactly why this matters outside the classroom.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how rapidly these networks are revolutionizing entirely different, massively important industries. In healthcare, for instance, CNNs are doing complex medical imaging analysis. They're reviewing X-rays and MRI scans to spot anomalies or tumors, sometimes way faster and with incredible accuracy right alongside doctors. Over in education, they're being used for automated grading and recognizing student handwriting. In finance, CNNs are literally the digital backbone of document verification and fraud detection, scanning your IDs and checks to ensure everything is authentic. And of course, in consumer AI products, they're powering the facial recognition that securely unlocks your phone or detecting objects in self-driving cars. This technology is absolutely reshaping how these critical sectors operate every single day.
Okay, moving to Section 4, Hands-on Practice and Prep. Time to put my coach's hat on because the goal today is to get you fully interview ready. So, what are the most critical Viva and placement questions for CNNs? Seriously, if you were sitting right across the table from a hiring manager today for an AI engineering role, what would they drill you on regarding this exact architecture? Take a second and really think about what we just covered in the workflow. Well, here's the secret. You have got to master the core concepts and terminology to conquer those placement interviews. Most of the time, interviewers aren't looking for you to write an entire neural network from scratch on a whiteboard. No way. They want to know if you deeply understand the workflow we just talked about. Can you clearly explain what a filter actually does to an image? Can you articulate why data needs to be pooled and condensed in the processing pipeline? Nailing those fundamental explanations is exactly what separates a confident, top-tier candidate from the rest of the pack. So, the crucial point is cementing this knowledge right now. Based on today's Day 33 curriculum, you have 3 clear action items waiting for you. First up, complete the mini project. This is a hands-on activity that's going to force you to apply the terminology we just discussed in a totally practical environment. Second, take the quiz.
This will instantly assess your understanding and catch any of those little blind spots before you ever head into a real interview. And finally, finish the assignment. This is a deeper, practical exercise based entirely on today's concepts. Tackling these 3 items, that is what's going to transform you from a passive listener into an active, highly skilled AI practitioner.
Section 5, Summary and Next Steps. Let's guide this right into our final recap.
Let's just briefly validate the awesome progress you've made during this explainer. You have officially mastered the core concepts of CNNs, really understanding how they act as a specialized visual architecture for machines. You've walked step by step through the workflow of how an image is processed, filtered, and condensed. You've explored how major sectors like healthcare, education, and finance are actively relying on these networks right now. And finally, you are fully prepped for your Viva and placement interviews because you know exactly which terminology to focus your practical study on. Honestly, that is a massive amount of high-value learning for one short session.
Now I'm going to leave you with one final provocative thought before you jump into your hands-on assignment. How will you apply today's CNN workflow to build your own real-world AI product? We just saw how this tech spots fraud in finance and scans medical images, but what unique problem are you going to solve with it? Let that question fuel your curiosity and your practice today. Thank you so much for joining me for day 33. Stay focused, and I will see you in the next explainer.